I'm pretty sure he know about this junction. I forgot all about it, man. I'm so used to going the other way.
Yep. And this is our neighborhood. We are currently looking for a new neighborhood at this point. We're gonna come up on the streets pretty soon, you guys. And we have to ride through it.
Pretty much here now. Just gotta get to this last little stretch.
I ride through it.
Splash nobody.
I'm not to splash anyone. Yep, making our way out of this junction into the next. And we happen to ride through it. Yep. Some cases it's good not to have the tires all the way inflated. So we can slide on right through here.
Who taught you that?
My husband taught me that.
Dealing with the ice is always good.
How's it feeling driving through all of this here?
It feels like one has to be responsible with lives and their vehicle. You know?
Is this the way to get up here? Oh, this is so crucial. And you guys, to make matters worse, this is what they done to the street while we was gone. Before we left, all of this was concrete, but now it's just one big dirt road that no one, not even the Gambians, understand why. What is happening? What has happened? Okay, so you best believe these people gonna make 5 or 6 lanes out of this. 7 or 8 maybe. Yep. Just taking y'all along for a little dirt ride along. That's all. Not even the Gambians understand why. I mean, all of this was concrete when we left. Yes, we're going house hunting now as we speak. Yep, water.
Boy, they got some nerve, boy. They know they free. They know they free.
The cows just chilling, y'all. You can't blame them. Let them chill. The cows, they'll stand, they'll sit in the, you know, you're going and you're coming, where they're gonna be right in between, and nobody better not hit them. That's against the law to hit a cow, baby. So if them cows stop you on your journey, you might well just stop. Real talk. Just a little rainy season video drive-by, that's all, y'all. Oh, somebody broke down right there. We broke down the other day. Again, we just getting back in town, and our car had water in it. You know, it's been rainy season. Starting in May. Rainy season started in May. We're now in September. I guess today like 21st or something like that, 22nd, IDK. But so this is actually day 3 for us, okay? So this is actually day 3 for us, y'all. And we had to come immediately, unknowingly, and get the car together because we was out trying to get some things, you know, because we got to start over again. And the car went to tripping on us. So on day 2, we had to go ahead on and put it on in the shop so it can go ahead on and act right for us. Now there's holes and junctions everywhere. Yeah, we gonna come up on the streetway. We coming up on one now, concrete. Yep, see that little bit right there? Yeah, we're coming up on concrete now. So as you can see, it's definitely in our area. This dirt road, and we're finna get from over here, cause no, it's just too much. Look at the cows, they just chilling.
Don't do it, Miss Cow.
Lord, they so close. Ooh, they so close. I mean, these cows do what they want to do, and you better not say or do nothing about it.
Building materials.
What time?
I was just checking out some of the business. Building materials.
That's how they look for a ride, y'all. That's how they look for a ride. They just
little Mr. Mini Market. All right. That might be a Gambian store. That's a Gambian store, G. E.
Down there?
Right here, yes.
Maybe.
Okay.
Today actually looked a little bit better than yesterday because there was puddles of water and stuff everywhere, you know. So it actually looked a little bit better, don't it? You would say?
I think it's drying up pretty quick.
I really thank the Lord for that.
You'd be surprised if probably the first season that happened there.
I really thank the Most High for that.
Maybe because it looked like it's drying up pretty quick. To be honest, it was like hella deep when we first got back.
So deep.
Hella deep, and even yesterday it was still kind of deep. And today it just seemed to be a lot receded, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe from the dense heat, you know, perhaps. You never know, you know.
Fan.
That's probably what I saw yesterday. I thought I saw it on this side.
You probably did.
It's possible.
But we do want one of them heavy duty fans, though.
Hopefully it will be to you in a minute, Mello. About 5 minutes time. 5-7 minutes time.
This right here, we coming up on Jabon traffic light. This is a really huge, significant part in this part of town. So, you ever want to get somewhere, know something, or go somewhere, you like, baby, what you want to do? What you want to do? What you want to do? Stop. Well, these cars are stupid out here. Well, I'm on camera talking crap.
How they drive out here on camera too.
they
drive
so stupid, y'all.
You have to talk stupid. Sure. My brother go off on their ass all the time. What you do, you stupid motherfucker? You think you doing this? You think you on the road? You fuck you. Tell her, E.
Boy, I'm talking about
that was you, what, E?
They have no.
That's my brother, y'all. That's my brother.
Certain type of control when it comes to these streets and roadways. So you really just got to get in where you fit in at. You know what I'm saying? You really just got to get in where you fit in at.
Real deep right there.
For real.
Well, you better control.
Oh man, that donkey gone crazy.
Oh my God.
What you whooping the? See what I'm saying? Let me tell y'all something.
Whooping the slavery.
Let me tell y'all something. A donkey is like a nigga.
That's right.
I'm not gonna lie to you. They the worst treated, more slaved animal it is out here. And you wonder why the Messiah chose a donkey over all.
to ride into Jerusalem on. He chose that donkey for a reason. It's significance.
It is very significant.
It's a sign. The same way us niggas got our ass whooped in slavery with them lashing us. It's the same way these donkeys are treated. You can look at the horses. Yeah, the horses get a, whipping or whatever. You know what I'm saying?
A horse don't work like a donkey.
Not like a donkey. Like, I done literally seen the donkey pulling all type of stuff on his literal ass. Like literal, the whole shebang on his ass, and the donkey about to break down himself on weak spaghetti legs. And got metal on his back, trying to still maneuver the way the man want him to maneuver. So I see the hardship when it concerns the donkeys, and I see the hardship when it concerns us niggas. Whether we in America or whether we here in Africa, the hardship is still the same, people. We all going through it everywhere. Right,
because remember, if you think about it, we the only nation of people that do not have nowhere to go. Now think about all other people. They got a country. They got somewhere to go. We the only people, the Negroes, that do not have nowhere to go. Now what does that say to you?
Now what's the significance in that? Now when it's all said and done, people, when it's really, really all said and done, we have to take back our lives